The next style I would like to introduce to you is made out of an abaca straw, which is from the Philippine Islands. It's related to the banana leaves, and it's a palm tree. It's a beautiful raw material. These hats has also been infused with a Japanese wire, which will allow you to create more look in one. So here we have the hat just simply with a wide brim and a beautiful little bit of a bling trim, but it looks really elegant. And what you can also do, you can roll the sides of the hat and you will create more of a cowboy look. But again, if you don't feel that is what you want on the day, then even a more uneven look is still, you know, quite sophisticated for this style of hat. The other colorway we have is the more of an olive green, and this hat has a beautiful, beautiful leather trim on it. And again, you can roll the brim, you can have a wide brim, and it can be a little bit more uneven, which is what Lauren is wearing right now.